Make your penis bigger with this two-step system. The desire to learn how to make your penis bigger is quite common, but not many people know how to do it. Increasing your penis size could benefit you in the game of love and increase your confidence in every social situation. You will never have to worry when you are intimate with a woman and sure that she will be impressed by your penis size. Wouldn't you like to surprise your dream woman with an experience she never thought was possible after you know how to make your penis bigger? Sound good? Then keep reading and knowing how to make your penis bigger will be revealed. How to make your penis bigger the right way. There are two ways to implement how to make your penis bigger. One way is the right one and the other is the wrong way. You need to make sure that you are doing it the right way. Sadly, many people attempt to increase penis size by using pumps and extenders which cannot cause long-term growth. In fact, it has been proven that extenders cause no gains at all and don't help with how to make your penis bigger. How to make your penis bigger, as it grew during puberty. So, let's think about puberty and what happened then to make your penis bigger. How to make your penis bigger was a natural part of your life during that time. The penis grew without you doing anything. Pills, pumps and extenders weren't needed, nor did you need any surgery. Growth was only due to biochemicals in your body which worked to make your penis bigger. These biochemicals reacted with the receptors in your body and caused gradual growth. How to make your penis bigger. Biochemicals. The biochemicals were produced by chain reactions which took place in your body. Penis length and girth was boosted without you doing anything consciously to make your penis bigger. Then, when you matured and puberty came to an end, the chain reaction stopped as well. This stopped the penis from growing naturally. The right method of how to make your penis bigger again is to tricking it to restart the chain reaction. How to make your penis bigger naturally. It's nothing new to your body, as it's happened before, and is 100% natural without the need of pills and other unnatural techniques. How to make your penis bigger is simple. Natural growth to make your penis bigger is the right way because it works with the body and no against it, creating natural and lasting results without any side effects. So, you want to understand how to make your penis bigger? So, we came to the conclusion that in order to restart penis growth, biochemicals need to restart producing. Biochemicals were produced by chain reactions. So, in order to achieve growth again, the chain links need to be in place as they were broken apart when puberty ended. During puberty, the links of specific biochemicals, nutrients and hormones made up the chain. In order to put the chains in place, you will need to follow a good system to show you how to make your penis bigger and kickstart the growth today. We can manipulate our body into getting the results that we desire to increase penis size. We need to take notice that in puberty, not only penis growth took place, puberty worked to change your body and to make your penis bigger for life. This is where it gets complicated, as we would like to eliminate any unwanted side effects of puberty. So, can we restart growth? How to make your penis bigger? Unfortunately, this isn't easy and won't happen overnight. If you want to know how to make your penis bigger, there isn't any special pill that will do all this for you, and no exercise can achieve this. It involves achieving an optimum balance of key nutrients and biochemicals in the body. Growth hormones also need to be present in order for growth to reoccur. This is one of the main missing chains that need to be in place. But that's not all. Another 15 different links also need to be replaced for the chain to be complete. How to make your penis bigger? How long will it take? Sadly, it can't happen straight away and depends on your lifestyle, health and how precisely you follow the system. Most of you will find you make your penis bigger in 3 months. Others even sooner. So learn how to make your penis bigger today. How to make your penis bigger now. Using a good system showing you how to make your penis bigger is the key. Without a good system, you'll never successfully make your penis bigger. If you do, then you will get all the benefits of being a big, well-hung guy. If you make your penis bigger, you will go from being a sexual loser into a super stud. Women will gossip about your size and your prowess. Men will jealously and enviously look on. You will be the guy that women fantasize about. I know, you can make your penis bigger too. It's simple and it works. If you want to learn more, then click the link below. It's split up into a few parts, But take a look. The animation is the best bit and it will clearly show you how to make your penis bigger. It will show you exactly what you need to do so you can begin to utilize how to make your penis bigger.